Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's affiliate marketing for beginners video, I'm going to share with you a copy and paste method that you can use as a beginner. And if you're not a beginner, you can also use this method to add an additional income stream to your portfolio. So first of all, I'm going to show you the proof. I just started this method, and what I'm going to do is show you the product that we're going to be promoting ongoing, and how easy and simple it is just to copy and paste, and the system that we're using to generate results. So this is my first commission here. So this was created 27th of the 5th, so a couple of days ago, and it's for $17.98. Now it is a product. I'm going to go into reporting to show you some more details. It is a product that has a recurring income built into it. So we're looking to build up a profitable passive income over time. Now, when you see here hops, what this means is this is how many clicks I've had onto my page, and the page, the product here is called Social Paid. So I'll just come to that shortly, but I want to show you sort of step by step what's actually happening within this system. So if I go into my accounts, I'm going to go onto here. ClickBank is free to join. All you do is go to clickbank.com, set up a free account, and you can log into a members area exactly the same as this. And there's no cost within ClickBank for this product that you go just get an affiliate link to promote. So you'll see here, that's just what I showed you there, May the 27th there. This one here is a previous one that I used to promote. That's a monthly rebuild, but we're not going to be doing that anymore. I found a Facebook group where the members are getting very good results using this system, so that's why I'm going to be doing it ongoing, and doing a case study as well. So if we go into reporting, and we go into transactions, you just see the real proof here. So let's press that down there, see if that's there it is. So this was a rebuild from previous another product, but this is the product here on the 27th of the 4th for the amount $17.98. Now I'll show you where you get the product. So what you do is you go into affiliate marketplace in the menu down the left hand side. You get your own affiliate link. You go into e-business and marketing, and then the second product down is this one here, and it says here get paid to use Facebook, Twitter and YouTube. Future rebuilds, that's your recurring income. Now this product's been 12 years on ClickBank. If you're not familiar with the ClickBank marketplace, it's been going about 20 years for digital products in all niches. So this product is tried and tested. It's got an affiliate page here. So you will click on the affiliate page, and then what that would do, that will take you to the page here, to this page here. Now all you're going to do, I'm going to scroll down here. You've got all the resources that you need, but we're going to just copy and paste and use email promotion. I'm going to show you shortly how you're going to promote it with email. So each one of these is an email swipe. So let's go into that one there and show you how simple this is. So all you do is you copy the subject line, you copy the body, and then you get a link. So this will be your link here. That'll be your link you're going to promote, and all you will do is take out the words there, your ClickBank ID, and just put your ClickBank ID in place of where it says. And then once you've got your ClickBank ID in there, that's your affiliate link to promote. So what we're going to be doing now, all these emails All these email swipes can also be rotated, but just to get started, you can just copy and paste them as is. We're using My Lead Gen Secret to promote this offer. So I'm in the My Lead Gen Secret Facebook group. It's where I saw the results of this system being promoted. Now, with My Lead Gen Secret, if you're not familiar with it, just show you over here. You're going to get 100 leads every single day when you first start. So that's going to be 3,000 leads every single month. And if you refer one person, if you refer one member, then you get 200 leads a day, and you're going to get 6,000 leads every single month. And these leads are your own. You can even download them if you wish to do so. Now, the leads are 100% tier 1 leads that include buyers. So I've just shown you there through that I've got a buyer there, just literally in my very early days of promoting that ClickBank product. Now, if you're not familiar with the 3 tiers, tier 1 is where the most buyers come from. Research does show that USA, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, and United Kingdom, where I'm from. So we're not going to discount tier 2 and tier 3 leads because you're going to get commissions from them. But the most buyers, research shows, come from tier 1. So, and also I'll show you the affiliate program as well, that pays down 5 levels, so an opportunity to get your leads for free. So let's go back into My Lead Gen Secret. Let me show you how this works. You're going to go into mailing system. Really, really simple. There's a video down here. This is Jim, the owner. There's a video down there that will teach you how to use the built-in mailer. So you're not going to be buying any autoresponders. Everything's built into this system here. And what you'll see here is that the last 3 days is I started 3 days ago. So the system will store your last, I don't know, about 30 emails, which saves a lot of time. So let's just use an example. That's the one there. I'm going to go on to load, and you'll see how it loaded up the email swipe that I just showed you. I can't send it now. You've got to wait every 23 hours, once a day, you can send a mail in. I've got to wait a couple of hours. But if you look at the email swipe, well, look at the subject line there. All I did with the subject line was add this first name fix here, copy and paste that onto the end, and then it personalizes it for your prospects. Full training provided, Barry. Full training provided, Anne. Whatever your prospect's name is, and then we also do the same within the email body as well. Hi Barry, hi Anne, whatever their first name is. And all I changed, if I go back into those swipes over here, all I changed was a couple of words. So where it said here, from all countries, you don't have to change it. You can just leave it as is. I just sometimes like to personalize things. It's good to have a read through and see what your thoughts are. You can always change things a little bit if you need to do, but you don't have to. You can just send it as is. They are very good email swipes. And I just changed it from all countries to your country. And then the rest I just put there, looking out for you. And within our Facebook group, they recommend that you put a clickable link into the whole sentence, and you bold it and you colour it just to make it stand out a little bit more. You click perfect timing, and then what that means is it's going to go out through all the different time zones around the world. It's going to go out into your prospects inbox when they're going to be awake. So let me show you now. Now, what you can also do to get a referral, you can also promote, because the affiliate program with My Lead Gen Secret, I'll just show you some proof of commissions that converts as well. So I'm just going to blur out the members' information here for privacy. I'm going to go into commissions. Now, what you can do, you can email the affiliate program to the leads that you get every day from My Lead Gen Secret, and then that's a good way to get your first referral. Now, when you if I come down here, show you my account, you'll see my total earned is $928. I've got $13 outstanding. You've got to wait till your balance reaches $30 before you can get paid out. They generally pay out the next day once you submit a request. They're very, very good. So you'll see here, RC stands for recurring commissions. So all of these RCs are recurring commissions. Some are coming down the second level at $4 here, but it comes down 5 levels. So potentially a great way to be able to get your traffic for free as well if you promote My Lead Gen Secret as well. Let me just show you the email swipes that you get. So even the email swipes. Sorry, that's the wrong page. Where are we? Oh, promo tools. We're already on the page here. So when you come down here, that's a compensation plan. These are the email swipes all down here, and all you would do to import that email swipe with your affiliate link built into it is just click on there, import into the mailing system, and then that will just put the email into the mailing system with your affiliate link built into it. Show you that there. If I can get on my cursor. Your affiliate link will be somewhere. There it is. That will be your affiliate link. So great way to get your traffic for free with the My Lead Gen Secret compensation plan. I'll show you the Facebook group. The Facebook group, 5,800 members. The great thing about the Facebook group, this is where I found the system. The great thing about it is you've got a lot of very experienced affiliate marketers in here that are sharing with the group what they're promoting, what offers they're promoting to the leads from My Lead Gen Secret, and that are converting into commissions. So lots of help and training there. So if you join through my link in the description, you'll then be part of our team, and then you can get into this My Lead Gen Secret success group. And if you get stuck with that, then just send me an email. My email address will be in the description. So we're giving you everything you need there. I've given you everything, the email swipes for ClickBank. We're giving you the leads that you're going to promote the offer with every single day. So they're going to build up over time to 3,000 to 6,000 every month. And I'm going to be doing this case study and showing ongoing results of how this actually, how it pans out. There will be an income disclaimer in the description. I'm not going to make any income claims or guarantees in this video. And if you've enjoyed today's video, then please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that, because that will help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And if you'd like to see some more how to make money online videos from me, then please click subscribe and the bell icon, and then you'll get notified of all my new videos. So currently I do several new uploads every week. Now I've got over 1,000 videos on my channel. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. My email address will be in the description. Any questions, please put those in the comments. And if you want any help with your affiliate marketing, just send me an email from that email in the description, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.